The day I was injured, I was at home. I fell. I was ignorant and thought, oh, it's just going to get better all by itself.
He presented with knee pain, and it was affecting his quality of life, his activities of daily living. He presented with just inability to do things like walking and playing sports like tennis and golf.
He told us about everything. That was the beauty of it. He told me about having a full knee replacement. So when I get inside, if I find this, I find that, I want you to know that I'm going to do the right thing for you. It's a great experience to have the right people providing care and therapy and putting it all together for the best outcome.
He's back doing activities, he's back enjoying his life, and he has no pain. So that's the beautiful thing, and that's the best part of my job.